one gift from Deloitte. So I will unbox that gift and let's check it. Branded bag, I got, and like 3 pockets. Let's check for the first pocket. It is a normal pocket like this, without special pockets. So you usually have a page in the first pocket. There it is not that. For the second compartment, it's a really huge compartment. So I guess it is opening like this. Okay, it's a travel bag. Okay, now I got it. So it is with a basic strap and it is opening like this. Okay, it's a good travel bag I got. It's opening where you can put like a handle thing. It's loose in the mouth. And here we have a buckle kind of thing. You can use that buckle to close the inside it and you can. So this is about the second compartment, and third is the hidden compartment here you can see. So the third compartment is I think it is laptop. It is a laptop compartment where I can get that. So pretty good quality you can see. I really love it and thanks Deloitte for this. So guys, this was the Deloitte branded bag. See you soon in the next video.